I'm here, Rumi. Are you done? Okay, I'll be waiting in the car. Oh, I was staring. Sorry, I didn't mean to. You look absolutely gorgeous. Let's go. We'll have to walk a little bit from here. Hope you liked the surprise. Thank you. Now, don't just stand there. Come on, sit down. Your beautiful clothes won't get dirty. I've spread this bed sheet. Yes, I brought some pillows too. I know how much you like lying down and cuddling with your pillows after having a good meal. Of course I have brought food. Tell me, what do you want? I've roasted chicken, grilled fish, and some vegetable curry with naan. Not spicy though, don't worry. Your wound was healing pretty well, so I thought you could have a treat. Yeah, I did not know what would be best, so I brought everything. Oh, sweetie, we won't waste it, okay? I'll pack them up properly and store them in the refrigerator. Okay, so what do you want? Awesome, I'll serve it. Get comfortable. I'm so full. Yeah, I know I had 2 ice creams, but that was only because you offered me yours, okay? How can I say no to ice creams? Okay, I have one last thing for you. Get up. Please, please, you can cuddle with your pillows all you want after that. Hopefully with me too. I didn't say anything. Oh, I was asking you to get up. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Okay, are you gonna say something? Oh, I'm glad you liked it. You're adorable like this. I should click a picture of this. Wait. Yeah, look up. Bro, I look like a pig. How do you manage to look so awesome, huh? Huh? What? Tell me. I have another surprise and I won't give it to you if you don't say it. It's fine, it's fine. Today is your day. I'll leave you. Okay, so now you need to close your eyes. Close it, okay? Good. No cheating, Rumi. Open at the count of 3, okay? 3, 2, 1. Your face lighted up like those firecrackers. Oh, I'm so lucky getting hugs after hugs. Do you want to light one? It's the last I have. Come on, don't be afraid. Take this lighter and come back as soon as you touch the wick, okay? Thrilling, isn't it? Come, let's go, our pillows are calling. Oh, this place. Someone showed me this place a long time ago, and since then I kept coming back here once in a while to see the hustling city, roaring cars, so many lights. They look look so insignificant from up here. The more I kept staring, the more inconsequential I felt about my problems. It made me feel better, even if it did not last very long. So I thought it would be nice to share this place with someone I care about. Oh, sorry, I got carried away. Yeah, I know it's okay, but I you do you just kiss me? Oh God, do you like me? Well, it is obvious, but still, I wanted to make sure because I can't believe. I don't know. Can I kiss you this time?